Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Re-enable device. Select System. Click on Device Manager in Windows Vista or Windows 7. Double-click Sound, Video and Game Controllers to expand it. Right-click your audio device, and left-click on Enable. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the restoration of your audio device, and restart the computer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Turn your volume up or down. Press a volume button. At the right, tap Settings, or, if you don't see settings, go to the steps for older Android versions. Slide the volume levels to where you want them: media volume, music, videos, games, other media. Call volume. Volume of the other person during a call.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to turn sound on the computer for Windows. Click the speaker icon in the lower right notification area of the taskbar. The sound mixer launches. Click the speaker button on the sound mixer if the sound is muted. Move the slider up to increase the volume and down to decrease the sound.
Let's help you make your mark.
7 fixes for no sound on iPhone. Force restart your iPhone. Check the sound settings. Check the ring, silent switch. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Turn off Bluetooth. Clean the headphone jack and speaker. Update iOS. Reset all settings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.